Hello everybody. Welcome back to another episode of the wedding edition of Aman's Unfiltered. Today we're going to talk to another segment of major players in the industries, and here we have the one that makes the bride look important and glam and everything that she needs to walk down that aisle. I have the mother of all makeup artists over here, Pan Simran. I have the gorgeous Pan, Vinny, and I have my dear friend Happy, known as Marissa, but I'm going to call her Happy. I'm used to calling her that. All right. So, my first question for you, Pan, let's start with you in
Done.
every order.
Done.
Okay. What is your signature bridal look?
Signature bridal look is it's never signature.
Mm,
Honestly, when you do a bride, you have to talk to a person, talk to the bride, and then read their mindset.
mm.
Whatever they want, that's the signature. You cannot make like a signature, like I draw this, I draw that, I do this kind of makeup, that kind of makeup. Artist means versatile.
Right.
So the signature is when your bride is happy, you do what they like. So I don't
Mm.
have as such signature look, but yeah, I like more uh it's like nude because you're decked up with a lot of jewelry, a lot of outfit, of course, the
Yeah.
brands and all, so many things together. So yeah, the wedding day, if you do little less makeup, it looks more glamorous.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, according to me, there is nothing called signature.
Signature.
Signature, yeah.
Do you guys feel the same, Panmini?
Absolutely, yeah.
Even in the beginning, I used to have that impression like smoky means black.
Black,
Like, stay
yeah.
away from me.
Very
I don't want
true.
Kali
Mm.
Kaluti eyes.
Till
Mhm.
now,
It's not
lot of
even.
people, till now, I tell you one thing, even the because see, now these days, it's the people are very influenced by social media,
Mm.
Yeah, absolutely.
Instagram.
Yeah.
I would say that's a big disaster. If you take it
Mm.
like okay, if you're using professionally, it's very good.
Yeah.
No, but
Exactly, just
lighting is very important. I do sometimes check my lighting
Mm.
yeah,
because
yeah.
lighting can actually act like a filter for you. But I do use a professional camera. But I
Yeah.
think the red flag to watch out for is artists who don't allow you to tag. I've noticed that someone told me that I
Okay.
see your page, but I'm not looking at what you're posting. I'm looking at what you're tagged in. But a lot of artists aren't allowed to be. You can't tag them. They have
Mm.
nothing on the tag.
Mm.
Like
Yeah.
there's nothing on their tag pages. I'm like, that's something because that comes from the photographer, from the planner. So
Okay.
that's nice to watch out for what the
Mm.
other people are seeing.
It's more like sparkly,
It needs to be fun. Like if
Correct.
you're leaving your
Best
family
job in
What
the
type of
world.
behind.
sparkly? We
No,
don't
but
know, but
I
it's
think
sparkly.
I have to say this is the best job in the world. I say it
Yeah.
all the time.
Oh,
Tried and tested. Too many
agree.
jobs
I
down the
Very true.
line.
agree.
I never take it for granted that this is literally the best job in the world.
And
You get to
especially
be part of someone's big days, and you
Yeah.
have fun, and you're part of their walls, and it pays well. Like there's no
pays well
downside.
is one thing.
Yeah.
Second thing, I've got gifts like a gold
There you
chain,
go.
a
Yeah.
diamond bracelet, and
What
it
the
was a
hell am I
regard.
doing with
Yeah,
my
I'm
life?
telling you.
I'm in the wrong industry.
I did couple of politicians'
give you a
wedding
hamper.
where I got gold chain, I got like a diamond pendant, and I got a diamond bracelet,
My
and
dear
like so many
artist
things like
management
that.
teams,
Like real
please.
Swarovski
No, she's
gifts, of
asking for the
course.
podcast. What are
My-
you giving her?
Change the business. Come into this line.
I thought managing artists would be a game changer. Really, I'm not appreciated enough. Okay.
And it
Yeah.
wasn't like this. Like artist respect wasn't like this.
No,
It just
Mm.
very
it wasn't.
recently grew. Like,
But this they do only in India, I would say. When they give you a gift of regard, that Simon, we are very happy with the work and all. There's a small token of it's like a love that you will
Appreciation.
remember us forever. I mean, like
Mm.
for me, it was like okay. I mean, like of course, I was
Give
very
it to me,
happy.
baby.
Yeah, yeah, of course, Ani do. Who says no to kids?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
come on.
Yeah.
I'm a little shocked.
Yeah.
What's your holy grail product that you carry with yourself all the time?
Uh, that's a hard one. There's so
Yeah.
many.
One. I give you one.
I don't know. Right now, I'm into PDRN, so maybe my PDRN skin line.
Medicube.
Medicube also,
Medicube
but
is
I'm into
good.
like PDRN right now. I'm just like testing the water. It's been a while because I went back and forth, right? Like a
Yeah.
couple of times. So it's like I'm into that right now. But it changes,
I'm
right? We're
so
Yeah.
into
keep changing.
Medicube right now.
Yeah.
I
It
think
is
it's working
amazing. So
amazing.
Yeah.
before I do, like, for me, because my makeup is so fresh, so light, it's all about skin.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah,
so
same.
my skin line is so like nan. So there's a Medicube, like what do you call, professional massage, and they have like different like
Settings.
settings in it and
Yeah.
stuff like that. So I make sure that I do like full collagen, like
Mm,
infusing into
mm.
my client's skin. Then I don't need to use so much products because the skin is already looking healthy. Then I just use serum and that's it. I start with makeup because if you use too much product, also I realized you start caking.
Yeah, yeah,
Correct.
You know,
yeah.
Yeah,
so
it's
and
always by
how to do
layers.
it. You can only do it by, and a lot of people are so like stressed out, dehydrated because they've just traveled. So
Yeah.
only, and they can't do like a last minute massage, right?
No.
So I just carry this
Yeah, yeah,
Medicube
yeah.
equipment and I just like
Mm.
massage them like nicely for like good 20 minutes. And then I just use like my regular stuff and it's a game changer. So I
Like,
think I cannot live without that
Yeah.
right now.
I am so in love with this product, Medicube. Like, I don't know what they've
It's
It's great.
done.
You mean, yeah,
amazing.
yeah.
Yeah.
This is, but I use it only at night because it's so sticky and thick,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
No,
I
it depends
use
what
it
you use. Medicube's been there for years. So
Yeah,
how they like
religiously.
they've been from snail mucin to rice, so they
Yeah,
change all
true.
the time. So
Man
it's like
pung cha eh
no,
ma.
for you,
There's
you
also
say
Eh,
makeup
ma,
lesson.
It's
But-
like always something or the other.
Time.
Physio, you can do skin tightening. There's so many lasers. So I want to convey through you this to all the brides. If you're spending on your outfit, on your jewelry,
Spend on your skin.
please spend on the skin and do
Yes.
some
Yes.
laser, skin
Yes.
tightening laser, which is
Yes.
really important before your
Agreed.
wedding.
Rajiv always tells me, like, as a physician, he's like, your health,
God help.
Yeah.
your skin, your outlook, whatever it is, spend on it because this
Very
is
true.
something you're not going to get back.
Health, for
Correct.
sure.
You know,
Very
like
very
your
Same.
clothes, your outlook, or whatever, that is secondary. But
Subjective,
whatever
yeah.
you put on your
No,
skin,
it doesn't matter if you're
yeah,
like big, as long as you feel healthy.
Yeah,
Some
very
people have
Yeah.
hormonal issues, but they
Correct.
feel healthy.
Stop
They wake
carrying
up.
me
Pan, I think I've said this to you before because you just mentioned it today. I'm like, you have inspired so
Aw.
many of us. The way you dress, the way you hold yourself. I'm like, come
Yeah.
No,
on,
because I
man.
just
I
believe like
agree with
I
that.
I
tell
said I have
you.
one life, right? I've always
Please.
been like I have this personality that's very like
Mhm.
Your
for lack
confidence
of a
is
better
through
word,
a roof.
yeah.
But how come you have a straight hair?
Prolonged.
I like her
I went
curly
to-
hair,
I went to
yaar. Her
weddings today.
original hair.
I prefer her curly
I
hair
prefer
too.
my curly. I feel
Yeah.
like an imposter right now.
You
That's
were giving me
right.
makeup tips since like forever. Like we used to like go to, go Khasan and
Oh,
all at that
yes.
time. And she's like,
Yeah,
Aman,
yeah,
your
Tips for
eyeliner,
tequila?
it's halfway. Take it in. I'm like, take it in.
Amma, was
I'm
it
like,
tips or
yeah.
tequila?
Both.
Both. Both.
The content you're talking about, we danced a
Yeah,
duo for
yeah,
her
but
yeah.
that's
wedding.
like the
I'm
worst,
like,
like,
shit.
way.
I swear.
I think
Okay.
time was very beautiful then.
It was so simple, Pan.
Yeah,
it
now
was so
everything is so-
simple.
I
don't
remember
know,
our
it's
haldis
like-
and all used to be in the bathroom. Like that.
True.
A lot of
I'm like,
things
this is
might happen
gold.
in the bathroom.
so
Gold color.
She was my Sarbali.
Yeah.
That's my favorite thing to say. I'm like,
Asli.
my haldi was in the bathroom.
What all I had to do? This one, rub her mehendi and all that.
Hilarious.
goodness.
hilarious.
Yeah.
What those?
Khalid.
Yeah, had to like
Khalid.
fall on me. I'm
Khalidas,
happy you're getting
yeah.
married
Oh
next.
my
I'm like,
God.
no, bro. I don't want to get married.
Very true.
Have you ever had a bride's mother or like a sasuma who wanted to be more glam than the bride?
Always.
All the time.
Oh
Either
my
the mom
God,
or the
tell me.
mother-in-law. One person is more of like it's like sometimes I've seen
I can
the
imagine it being the
competition.
mother-in-law. I need to look better than the
No,
bahu.
even the
They
mother.
say that.
Hello.
They say that also.
Yeah, yeah.
Didi.
Like
They'll be like,
outright.
the bride has like supposed her family book me, right? The mom and the sister and whatever. The mother-in-law is like, I know, like recently, just one auntie just booked me for like a July wedding, and she's like, the bride has her makeup from Bangkok. Only somebody she took, and she's like, but I'm the mother of the groom.
Correct.
I'm the most important.
Yeah.
The most important.
And apparently,
"Beta,
whatever you ask
okay.
them,
I
they'll pay you also.
am the most important. I am paying for this wedding.
Yeah.
I
I
need
am
to-
paying for this
I
wedding.
need to look the
Hi,
best.
hi. Hi, hi.
No,
So
it's
I'm like,
always,
done,
yeah.
auntie.
And now these days, I'll tell you, it doesn't matter if you are a big makeup
love it.
artist, you are doing only brides. No. Trust me,
Yeah.
I have made more money where I'm not doing a bride
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
I'm doing a
Yeah.
mother or a mother-in-law.
Yes.
Amazing.
There you make even more money. I'm telling you very clearly.
Yeah, because they will be
Because
happy
they
to
want-
pay. Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah, they want it's a kind of competition. Even they want a very high-end makeup artist. Of course, they are wearing Rimple
Because they- at
Harpe,
the
they
end
are
of the
wearing
day, they
millions
pay-
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
jewelry. They want to be like the best. You know,
Mm.
Abhi, I'm doing one wedding in some other country,
Mm.
and who's hired me? The mother-in-law. Like,
Yeah.
Simran, just say what you charge. That's it. I was like, this X amount I charge
Yeah.
per day.
Yeah.
Even
Yeah,
though if I
they
do
give you a
one
daily
person,
rate. Yeah.
she's like, okay, okay, done, done. And I was like, okay. And then I feel I don't know now. I want my more comfort zone.
Yeah.
Now I'm enjoying more doing mother-in-law because it's like there's no tension.
Mm.
You
I'm
look
like,
at the
it's not
Instagram,
replacing-
how they're teaching on Instagram. Everybody's a makeup artist
Yeah,
right
I
now.
know.
My
I
group
tell
of
you.
friends, they have a joke on me. I will find any reason to do
call
To
a
do
makeup
makeup.
artist. Yeah.
She knows this.
Correct.
Pandini is an advocate, but it's just like even before you sleep, you call
No,
a makeup
but
artist.
I
I'm
say
like,
I'm like, this is one thing. Like this, I always say, like this, AI can't steal from us. Hopefully,
No
Like,
way.
this
no
is it.
way, no
This is a
way.
skill that I'm like, please
Never.
bank. And I always tell people when they're like, should I add an event? Should I not? Should I add this? I'm like, spend on yourself.
Like
Correct.
even if I'm
There's
calling,
600
Right,
people you're feeding. How much
true.
money is going to cost you
Yeah,
for additional look?
exactly.
You want to look good?
Correct.
Spend on yourself.
even if I call 30 people to the house,
Take
Back.
call.
Yeah.
Makeup.
I'm like,
I've done it before.
Where are we going? I'm like, to your house?
I
For putting
know.
makeup?
And I'm like, Patty, do
It's
makeup. I'm like, you
this,
thought,
yeah.
huh?
But yeah, I've seen one
Mangi.
thing. Some I've had experience once in my life where they call a makeup artist just to get the gossip, which I feel
Oi,
is
oi,
really bad.
really,
Yeah,
this is
yeah, yeah.
interesting.
It has
Please.
happened once with
Mm.
me where I was called because when she called, I was like, okay, and then she's talking about here and there about her
Huh.
ex and everything, and I was like, I don't know. She's like, no, so you just went to their house, so just give me the gossip.
Oh,
And it's
that's
like,
crazy.
are you serious? I'm a makeup artist. Hello, I'm not that what you call
BBC.
BBC that I will go to people's
Yeah.
house and talk about this
Genius.
person. But trust me, people, they have that kind of mindset also.
Okay.
Mm.
Last question for the session. This is something I'm doing with every episode in this edition.
Mm.
What is one thing that you would want banned in a wedding? Banned or rid of, or like if you could not have it there anymore. Like
Banned
one
is a very
thing.
strong word.
Yeah, I'm
No,
strong.
I would say like
yeah.
eliminate from a wedding when
So
you
what
come.
is eliminate and
no,
banned?
No, banned is
It's
like
the
you.
same.
Strictly, no, for me it's like I would say
Gentle,
I would
Aman,
be like
gentle.
the prayers. The
Aman
prayers. do
Pinkara has
all your-
never been
No,
gentle.
do all your
No.
pujas and come. That's my thing. Like if you're coming and you want
Uh-huh.
to wake, you want to party till 5 a.m. and then you have to wake up at 7 a.m.
And do
you're not
puja.
you're not doing it either. You're not having fun. You're not getting. You know what I mean? You're always like frazzled and stuff like that. So I mean, scheduling it well. Like
Right.
schedule your weddings like that makes sense to you, like not to anybody else. Like that's my 2 cents.
So
Like,
time.
yeah. So I've had really cool. Like now the bride's new trend is I want my wedding date on the first day. So I want all the formalities done. So the next 2 days are just about like
Ready.
the pool party, the sangeet, everything follows, and your husband and wife. So you're sharing the same room, you have the same suite, you're having fun.
Oh, that's
So I
actually
feel like that's a very good
that's
idea.
smart.
And I love that. Like I just feel like schedule it better. Because sometimes you're saying
Yeah.
like you have to do this and but can I dance? Will I party? Can I drink? Because I have to wake up for puja. I have to wake up at 8 a.m. I have to get ready by 8 a.m.
Yeah, then
I
you
feel
don't
like
have fun,
Then you're
no?
spending all this money, but the only person who's
Yeah.
not having fun is you. Because no one
Yeah.
else is waking up for the wedding. No one else is waking up for the
100%.
puja. So I'll be like
Yeah.
scheduling it. Yeah.
Agree. Second thing
Mm.
is you should not give alcohol to the bride and groom. That's the worst
That is like
thing ever. I tell you one
You saw my
thing.
face. Did you
I've
gonna kill me?
done a
Chai pine
bride.
wali is saying this.
I'm telling you because I'll tell you why. Because I like normally brides they get ready. Okay, so it was quite late. So by the time she reached at the venue, she was literally like
Like,
passed out,
okay.
and she slept throughout. She didn't even enjoy her
I mean, makes sense.
event. So I feel one thing should be banned, apart from what she said, is like giving alcohol to the bride and groom. I mean, like, be decent 3 days, enjoy your time, enjoy people, enjoy the party, enjoy the money you have spent on the things, rather than just like passing out, drinking, and passing out. I was like, doesn't make sense.
Do you see the irony here? So one is
Yeah,
puja,
yeah.
one is alcohol.
And
Marissa, you're out.
and ask me the same question. I don't know. Sorry, but I love everything about like just being
No.
a part. Like everything.
You're being diplomatic
I'm
now.
not. I swear I'm not. Like I have spoken so much shit. Like I'm not. But then the reason I entered this field
Mhm.
was, and every single time I have to go through this is just
Right.
it's so different every time.
Mm.
Like it's not like, oh, I'm again doing a, and every wedding is different.
Yeah, that's it. You never get bored. Whatever
Sure.
it's a job that
Mm.
you never like.
Something
Yeah,
or
you
the
never
other,
lose focus.
always.
Yeah.
Like, and every mom, like Ghari Puja, they want to get like dressed up. Like that's one thing I'm like, why? Like why does the, like Sindhis, they have this like the mom needs to get ready and look like the
before,
bride
yeah.
before the wedding day.
Mhm.
You know, I never, but then that's also so beautiful.
Mm.
Right.
You know, like she gets to be the best. So where I'm thinking, I'm like, because even in the beginning of the show, you had mentioned, I'm like, "Allah,
Crazy.
It is.
Well, this has been fun.
Yeah,
Same,
I
same,
enjoyed
same. I'm
it.
looking forward to
Listening to this.
listening to this soon.
Never like the sound of my own voice.
I've always liked the sound of your voice, man.
No, I'm
Don't
making
worry.
it softer for you. It's like
Tonto.
husky.
I
Tonto.
know.
Tonto.
I forgot.
Okay,
It
so
was the tequila.
it,
Yeah.
like we gave the Thai Valley a shot. I don't know what shot she had, but we gave a Thai Valley a shot.
Thank you.
Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna say goodbye to all these wonderful ladies and
Thank
thank you,
Thank you for
for
Thank
having
you for
us.
having us.
for
Thanks to
coming
you.
in. This was absolute fun. Now I'm gonna go back scenes and get a list of their products
Yeah.
and their skincare routine. That's gonna be my fee.
Yeah, true.